What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to properly export videos in Premiere Pro. Once you're finished editing your project and you're ready to export it, the first step is to go to the top menu and click on File. Then, scroll down to Export and click on Media. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and M on Windows or Command and M on Mac to open the export settings directly. In the export settings window, the first thing to check is the format. Make sure it's set to H.264. This will export your video as an MP4 file, which is the most widely supported format for online platforms like YouTube, Instagram and more. Next, under Preset, choose Match Source High Bitrate. This option tells Premiere Pro to match your sequence settings and export the video with high quality and a good balance between the file size and performance. Below that, you see the output name in blue text. Click on it to open the File Explorer window. Here, you can rename your file and choose where to save it on your computer. Pick a folder that you can easily find later. To maximize video quality, scroll down to the Video tab and expand the basic video settings if it's not already open. Check the box that says Render at maximum depth. Then, near the bottom of the export window, check Use maximum render quality. These options help improve the final output, especially if your project involves color grading or detailed graphics. Once all your settings are in place, simply click Export at the bottom. Premiere Pro will begin rendering your video, and once it's done, your file will be saved in the location you selected. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.